there was a leak. This is here in this exhaust system. This is Toyota Previa 91, and I tried to weld it, as you can see here, but it still leak. Small tiny holes everywhere, especially in this. It looks like a spring thing. So we invented this way. We got this from everything from Home Depot, all those vices, ring vices, and this duct and tape, and we installed it here. So as you can see, it's pretty solid, it's pretty good, no more leak. A little bit tiny here and there, but we're gonna use also, the trick is using this. It's called fire blocker from Home Depot. It's pretty good. As you can see, 2000 Fahrenheit temperature. It can resist up to 2000 Fahrenheit. So I hope this will help you to repair muffler without taking it to the mechanic and paying a lot of money. Thank you and have a good day.